Welcome to Insider Tips. In today's Insider Tip, I will be talking about the cost of employee turnover. A recent study indicated that 40% of employees who receive poor job training leave their jobs within the first year. They name lack of skills training and development as the primary reason for leaving. Consider the cost of replacing an employee. With one fewer employee, your property's productivity will slip. Your sales might decline. Your current employees will have to take on extra work. Morale might suffer. And to find a new employee, you might have to take time to screen and interview applicants. Once you hire someone, you need to train that person. The cost of employee turnover quickly adds up. Numbers may vary, but with time and replacement costs, it could reach as high as $2,500, depending on the position. That's a heavy price to pay for not training staff. Well, that's it for today's Insider Tip. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe so you get all the Insider Tips. And if you haven't checked out the groups yet, check out the best one for you. KeystoneHPD.com/insider-tips. And to find your best group option, visit KeystoneHPD.com/private-groups. Well, that's it for today's tip. Until next time, have a fun day.